Yeah, hi guys, welcome to Gennie. So in this video, we will see how to use Gennie. So Gennie is basically a AI note taker which turns your meeting recordings or meeting transcription into action items and push them to your project management tools, to your email, to your communication tool like Slack, so that whatever is the outcome of a meeting gets pushed or gets assigned to the owners who are part of your team, right? So that nothing get missed. Otherwise, what happens in the meeting? Everyone record meeting, take meeting notes, but nothing happens after that. So here it is basically assigning the owner so that no task get lost. So let's start and see how Gennie works, right? So I'll just sign up. I'll start with a new account. So either we can sign up using Google, GitHub, or with email. Okay. So let me sign up using email. I'll skip the phone number. Continue. So it has sent me a 6-digit verification code. So my account is created and I am here. So Gennie works with a lot of AI meeting note taker platforms like Phantom, Granola, Fireflies. So all these things, what it does, it automatically starts fetching the meetings which are happening there and then start creating tasks for you, so that as soon as the meeting ends, you have the complete picture in front of you, what all tasks what got created, assigned, so you can review it and assign to your team. For now, I'll just skip this. I'll not do the integration. This we'll cover in some other video. Okay. Now the tools. So basically, as of now, Gennie connects with some 50 plus tools like your project management tool, email tools, calendars, communication tools and all, which you can install either here or you can even do it later. So for this video, I'll just install Asana. So I basically want to create tasks as part of my meeting conversation and assign them to my team on Asana. So I'll just click Asana. I've already authenticated my Asana, so it has not asked me authentication. It has already pulled my workspace in the project. So let's say my Gennie project. So this is my project in Asana. I'll show you in a while. Okay, save and continue. So Asana is connected. Okay, so this is a choose plan. So if you want to upgrade, for now I'll skip. So you get a good amount of credits if you want to try it out without even upgrading. Okay, so I'll say continue. Okay, so as of now, no meetings found because we have not connected any meeting note taker. So if I want, I can go to integration and connect it from here also. So Granola, Phantom. These are the apps which we have installed. As of now, we have only installed Asana, so it is showing here. But the more apps I will authenticate, they will start showing up here, and we'll see how we use them, right? And this is a participant, so this is important. So basically what happens, as soon as you add your meeting, so it automatically identifies the participant from that meeting data and add them here, so that when you are creating tasks, you already know who your teams are. Okay, so let's go and start with our first meeting. So I'll just upload a manual meeting here. So either I can upload a file, which is a meeting transcription file, audio files, whatever, I can upload it here, or I can basically copy paste the meeting transcription here. So let me just copy paste meeting transcription here. I'll just paste the transcription here. So this is some conversation with some potential client. Okay, so in the participants, we can either add participant manually, or we can obviously select the participant which are already here. So here we are seeing two participants because this is the first one, the account I created, and this one we got the list of participants from the Asana, right? So that's all. I can give some name and then I'll generate task. So what it does, it will go through this transcription and start identifying the action items for me through a prompt, and obviously you can also control that prompt. So if you have some granular thing which you want to do, you can do it. So it has identified the task and it is already showing me the platform, the assignee, some tags, due date and all, right? So basically, since we have already integrated Asana, it is showing me Asana task. But if there are multiple platforms which we have chosen, it will show me multiple platform here, right? So let's say we have done a meeting. Now these are the tasks which Gennie has identified and I want to create this task on Asana. So what I'll do, either I can just go in, click execute. I can basically select any task or just execute it. Now it will go and create this task on Asana with a due date and assignee. it's completed, right? And you can actually see this. So if I click view, I will see this task on my Asana. So the task is here. Similarly, well, let's say I want to create multiple tasks. I can just select all of them, and this one I want to assign to this person with a due date of 29th, with due date of 27, due date of 26. Labels, we don't have any labels, otherwise we see labels here also, and then just click execute. So now it is just pushing all these tasks to Asana. And you can basically see them. So these tasks are here. So this is the task with the due date of Wednesday. This is another task which due date of Monday. Basically it has already calculated how many days are there. This is a task which is due tomorrow. So now all these tasks are in my Asana. Right, so this is basically how it happens. So as soon as the meeting happens, or you just upload the transcription, it identifies the task, and with just one click you assign them to your team members. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you again in the next video. Bye bye.